Welcome to Quatortax, Tax Navigator, your partner for a successful business. At Quatortax, we are more than just accountants. We have an experienced team of dedicated professionals. We are always committed to help both startups and well-established organizations thrive in today's competitive business landscape. Our mission is simple and clear: to provide exceptional services to all business communities at wallet-friendly charges. We offer a wide spectrum of services such as taxation, compliances, legal, and many more tailored to your needs, including GST services like GST registrations, GST filings, reconciliation, audit, conversion, cancellation, company and firm registrations, business licenses like Startup India registration, import and export code, shop and establishment license, GEM registration, MSME registration, food license, PAN, TAN, DIN, DSC, PF and ESI registrations, statutory compliances like reservation of name, appointment of auditor, declaration for commencement of business, KYC of directors, alteration of share capital, alteration of MOA and AOA, annual compliances or ROC filings, trademarks, income tax return filings, accounting and bookkeeping, and digital marketing services like social media marketing, ads setup, website design and development, content writing, SEO, and much more. We understand that every business is unique, and that's why we take a personalized approach to meet all your specific requirements. With our highly qualified professionals by your side, you can constantly focus on growing your business while we handle the rest. Join the countless satisfied businesses who have already entrusted their success to Quatortax. Experience the difference with Quatortax, where excellence meets affordability. We are continuously updating our knowledge to keep you informed about the latest changes and offering valuable insights and practical tips to help your business thrive. Quatortax, Tax Navigator. Your business, our priority.